A couple of KDK 15 WHC exhaust fans in a friend's house, in a neighbor's house actually. Same as the one in this spare bathroom. That's what I call it. That's what I call it in videos. It's in my mom's bedroom, in my parents' bedroom, the master bedroom. Not talking about this one is close to the master bedroom, but I'm talking about the other one that's in my flat. Oops, wrong switch. In no time it'll probably be the same as the other one. But who knows, there might be differences. There's always a stronger, the weaker one. Everyone knows that. Kinda similar to my bathroom, only smaller. Yeah. There's another one here. I mean, these are this bigger than the one and then my mom's, than the spare bathroom in my flat, but this one is smaller than the main bathroom. So that's a little bit interesting. There's another one here. These are good fans in high pressure applications, but in smaller ones 15WE would be better because it's more energy efficient for lower pressures anyway, but for high pressures you will need these, I think. Like the LED lighting, quite energy efficient. But I'd still have a ceiling fan up there if it's my jeopardy. Sorry if it's my, said the wrong word, if it's my jurisdiction where to have a ceiling fan up there or not. I often mix my words up like that, but there's another one up there, like there. And anyway, that's it.